slurp into history. Hey there, noodle lovers. Today we're diving into the delicious world of ramen, a dish that has captured hearts and taste buds around the globe. Let's talk ramen, that yummy noodle soup we all love. It's more than just a meal, it's a cultural icon. Did you know ramen comes from Japan? This beloved dish has a fascinating history. It all started about 100 years ago. Back then, Japan was undergoing rapid modernization. People needed cheap, tasty food, and boom, ramen was born. It quickly became a favorite among the working class. At first, it was a simple dish, just noodles in broth, but its simplicity was its charm. But guess what? People loved it. The demand for ramen grew rapidly. Ramen became super popular all over Japan. It wasn't just a meal, it was an experience. Now it's a huge deal with different kinds and flavors everywhere. From tonkotsu to miso, there's a ramen for everyone. So next time you slurp down a bowl of ramen, remember its humble beginnings. It's a dish that tells a story with every bite. From street food to global sensation, ramen is a true culinary hero. Its journey from the streets of Japan to the world stage is nothing short of amazing. Ramen noodles might seem fancy, but the ingredients are surprisingly simple. We're talking basic pantry staples here. The magic is all in how they come together. First up, we've got wheat flour, the backbone of our noodles. Then there's water, bringing everything together. Salt comes next, adding flavor and a little zing. And that's not all. Some ramen recipes get extra flavor from an ingredient called kansui. It's a special kind of alkaline water that gives the noodles their signature springy texture. Pretty cool, huh? Making ramen noodles is like a fun science experiment. It's a process that combines simple ingredients and transforms them into something delicious and satisfying. First, we mix all those simple ingredients together: flour, water, salt, and sometimes kansui. Kansui is an alkaline mineral water that gives ramen its unique texture and color. We mix and mix until it forms a big ball of dough. This dough needs to be kneaded well to develop the gluten, which gives the noodles their chewy texture. Next comes the fun part, stretching. Stretching the dough helps to align the gluten strands, making the noodles more elastic. The dough gets flattened and cut into long, thin strands. This step requires precision to ensure the noodles are uniform in size. These strands are our noodles. They look delicate but are packed with flavor and texture. They're then steamed and cooked until they are nice and chewy. This cooking process is crucial to achieve the perfect bite. Finally, the noodles are dried out, ready to be packaged and shipped. Drying preserves the noodles and makes them convenient for storage. And voila! Instant ramen magic is ready to go. These dried noodles can be stored for months and are perfect for a quick meal. Just add hot water and your favorite toppings and enjoy. Whether it's a midnight snack or a quick lunch, instant ramen is always a satisfying choice. Section 4. Ramen Trivia. Fun facts for your noodle bowl. Did you know that there's a whole museum dedicated to ramen in Japan? It's called the Shin Yokohama Ramen Museum, and it's a must visit for any ramen enthusiast. Here's another fun fact. Instant ramen was invented in 1958 by Momofuku Ando. He wanted to create a convenient and affordable food that anyone could enjoy. And guess what? The very first flavor of instant ramen was chicken. It's still a classic today. So, next time you're slurping your noodles, impress your friends with these fun ramen facts. Section 5. Ramen Around the World. A noodle superstar, ramen has come a long way from its humble beginnings in Japan. Originally a simple, comforting dish, it has evolved into a culinary art form. Today, it's a global food phenomenon, enjoyed by people all over the world, from bustling cities to quiet towns. Ramen has found its place in the hearts of many, from spicy kimchi ramen in Korea, which adds a fiery kick to the traditional noodle soup, to rich tonkotsu ramen in Japan, known for its creamy pork-based broth. That is as a ramen for everyone. Each bowl tells a story of its own, reflecting the culture and creativity of its origin. People love customizing their ramen with different toppings, from soft-boiled eggs to fresh vegetables, broths, and flavors. The possibilities are endless, making each bowl a unique experience. So, whether you're a college student on a budget, enjoying a quick and easy meal, or a foodie looking for a delicious and satisfying meal at a gourmet restaurant, ramen is the perfect choice. Its versatility and rich flavors make it a beloved dish for all. Slurp, enjoy, and celebrate the global noodle that brings us all together. Whether it's a casual meal or a festive gathering, ramen unites us in culinary joy.